This is a video demo of a Haas TL-15. We've got a sub-spindle machine with live tooling, tool presetter, chip conveyor, just to name a few of the options. Let's start off by moving the axes. The axis. And now we'll start off with the spindle at 500 RPM and we'll work our way up to 5,000. That's 3,000 right now. 5,000 RPM. Sub spindle, 500 RPM, 2,000 RPM, and now we will do the turret. And now we'll do a quick walk around of the machine. Again, this is a Haas TL-15, serial number 62601. This is the tooling that will be coming with the machine. We've got one live axial, one radial, a few miscellaneous tool holders. Here's the chip conveyor, coolant pump. And that concludes our video inspection of the Haas TL-15.